All right, little video on Soxl, one of my favorites to trade right now. 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, Friday, June 28th. All right, this is the 3 minute on Soxl. So what we had here was 55 line, bounced up here. I believe there might have been news today, like economic news. 55.50, we go down, but here's the short. Draw your line from the wick. Come down to 54.50. So pre-market depends on like the candles, what it's doing. Nice little short right here. Come back, double bottom 54.50, and then we take off right here. Massive candle, another one. You have a big green candle 56. Now on momentum plays, you're just playing it basically two ways. You're going to play either the high or the low wick as it comes back like this. So 55.50 line, we take off. I'm drawing my line right here. This goes to 58.50. So we're talking about a $3 move from the low down here. Actually, more than that, probably like what's that, 3.5. So there's your one move. Second move, you're watching here, see what it does. Once you're up this high, probably a short, and it was 58. We go down. Now you can draw your line this way, but it's going to make it too wide. So once these moves happen, I'm sort of bringing it closer as possible. So 57.50, we go down, stalls out here at 56, we bounce. Here's another move. 57, we start to fade again. Look at these red candles. On these moves, when you have consistent all red candles, first green, I'll take profit there. Especially after a morning move, like I'm not looking for nothing crazy. And then we go up to here. Here's a trend line here. Come down, sideways. Nice little move here, pretty much all green. And now we're flattening out. That's where we're at right now. So, in this 3 minute, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be 5, 6, 7, 8 moves right now. Now, you don't have to hit all these moves, but just pointing out the volatility, low, high, intermediate moves, short, quick, like 25, 50 cent buys and sells. A 5 minute here, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got in here, you probably get stopped out. 6, maybe a short here, 7. So it's going to bring probably a less move. You're moving up the time frame, 5 minutes. So you're going to move that up. You're going to lose the moves there. The 10 minute down, up, we go down. So you can see it here. So 3 to 5 minutes, my main, trading, what I use to trade for day trading. You look after your 10, 15 minutes, see what it's doing, like 15-minute right now. After to move up, move down. This was way above the EMA, so that's why this was a straight up momentum play. And look how far you are. And then it came back to reality. So this is where Soxl is. Great moves today. This is like great action for ETFs. Higher price stocks, easier than penny stocks going all over the place, meaning like 1 to 20, back to 20. And the range is just all over the place. You can't read them because they're pumps. They're pumps and dumps, very hard to read. That's what on penny stocks do. You want to get in and out very fast. Like sometimes it'll be a few minutes. This trade could last like an hour. This is an hour. So it's definitely like slower type trading. I don't like to get in and out in seconds, 60 seconds, a minute. So they're the moves right now. So Soxl's just been tremendous. Now look at the trend line here too. Here's 1, 2, 3, right at the trend line. Look at this. We're curling up. Space is closing. This will probably move up next week, and we're going back to 65 again, unless something weird happens. So, trend lines absolutely work. There's a pullback, and where did it pull back to? The trend line. That's why you draw them. It's not. Happens for a reason. Like look at all these trend lines back here, and then up here. Back in March and April, they're bouncing back and forth. So I have a ton of lines in here because I trade this a lot. Like people must think I'm crazy, but I just put it in. I'm looking at low to high moves. This is the daily chart. And so you can see the overall moves here. If you got in back in April, it's a great swing on this move, but then it came green again, go up on this move here. The trend is still going up and all these moves are not going straight down. And then you go up again. Here's a move here. It was a nice short. If you caught it, maybe intraday, you're looking at this, or even after that 60 down here, it's a $5 short. And now we're coming back up. So Soxl will continue to play this. I'll play this until it's just not going to be good anymore. Now, the monthly, this is showing. Let me get a quarterly actually. The quarterly had this big move up. It was in a range for years, then big move down from 2022. But look at the crossover it had 2023 or late 2022, white over red. So this is completely bullish right now. This is the quarterly chart. We'd have to do something dramatic to go down like that. Like the next few months is go absolutely bearish. That's not happening. This will probably go back